Hello beautiful and amazing people, welcome to Natural Chic Space. My name is Oma. In today's video we're going to be transforming into this beautiful hair bun, but before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button right away. So right now I'm going to be starting off with my eco styling gel in curls and waves. So this gel actually helps me in bringing down my hair, like it sets the base of the style. So because you know how natural frizzy hair can be. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using the hairbrush just to like stretch my hair out. And then I'm going to be using this cotton comb to start up my style how I want it to be. So right now this is like a side parting. Yeah, so it's a side parting. So then I'm going to be, plating it just to differentiate where I want the style to be. So what I'm going to be doing next, I'm going to be using my brush to slip my hair down again. So right now I'm making it a bond, like trying to put my hair together. As you guys know, my hair is still growing and I'm still grooming my hair to be what I want it to be in future. So I'm going to be using my hair bond to put it all together.
I'm floating away with you in the backseat of my car.
And the next thing I would be doing is to create a twist for the style.
And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe.
So if you guys want to learn how to twist your hair or how to create a cornrow with in using twisting method, let me know in the comment section, and then I'll do a video right away. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to use the hairpin, like the bobby pin, to pin it down, to my hair. So here I'm going to be using the Cozy natural hair extension. It's so nice, so soft, guys. Like, no, this extension, like, I'm not exaggerating, guys. This Cozy extension, if you find it anywhere and you have a natural hair, hurry up and go get one, because guys, it's so soft and it's easy to care for. It's easy to work with. So right now I'm going to be, the strand there is for you to put it on your hair and then tighten it. It's called an extension. So yeah, and it comes in different colors. Definitely not a sponsored video, but guys, when I see something good, I will definitely let you guys know about it. So this is a natural hair plug. I totally love this extension. It's so coily, and then if you want to trim it down, you can literally trim it down to whatever length you want. If you want it shorter, if you want, look, just for me this length is just perfect. So I'm also going to be using the bobby pin just to hold it better and to give it that my desired shape that I want. So I'm also going to be using this hair wax. I don't know if I told you in my last video, but these edge controls are just the worst. Like, they're the worst. So I'm starting my journey to finding a good edge control that I can use for my hair. But these edge control guys, when you see them, just run away. They are just the worst. So I'm going to be using my scarf. If you have a satin scarf, it is most preferable. So if you have a satin scarf, use your satin scarf to tie it for about 1 to 2 hours if possible or more. Thank you guys for watching this video. Till we meet in our next video, it's a bye for now. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button right away. Bye.